Hello guys, welcome to our Cloud Computing E-degree. The rising penetration of internet and mobile devices and an increase in consumption of data have given a major boost to cloud computing technology, and now it is all set to be one of the major drivers of the fourth industrial revolution. This has presented an amazing opportunity for developers, architects, and managers alike to build next-generation business solutions on the cloud. Keeping this in mind, Eduonix has come up with a complete learning solution geared towards both beginner and intermediate level cloud professionals. This e-degree is divided into 10 modules, each covering a particular aspect of cloud computing. The modules are: Module 1, Foundational Linux and Python Scripting. This module will help you learn the foundation of Linux and Python language. Module 2, Introduction to Cloud Technologies. This module will help you understand the cloud ecosystem and will give you a bird's-eye view of cloud technologies and solutions. Module 3, Computation Service on Cloud. This will help you get started on cloud computation services on popular cloud platforms such as AWS and Azure. You will be able to launch and use computation cloud resources after completing this module. Module 4, Container Services in Cloud. The container service allows you to scale and build modern software systems quickly and easily. You will learn to use Docker, Kubernetes, and virtualization services on the cloud. Module 5, Storage and Databases on Cloud. This module covers one of the most important and popular cloud services, storage and database. Learn how cloud makes it easy to build scalable databases and data stores for any system. Module 6, Big Data and Analytics on Cloud. No training program can be complete without Big Data and Analytics. Big Data Analytics is widely used cloud services across business verticals. This module ensures you fully understand these services. Module 7, Application Development and DevOps on Cloud. This module aimed towards cloud developers will teach you the services available for application development and deployment. Module 8, Cloud Services for Enterprise. This module handles popular services for the businesses. You will get a practical training in services and public cloud solutions. Module 9, Migration and Cloud Security. This module will help you master the techniques required to migrate your infrastructure to cloud services. Module 10, OpenStack Basics. This concluding module will focus on OpenStack, the foundation of public cloud systems. This module will help you understand how cloud services and infrastructure works under the hood. This e-degree is taught by our panel of global instructors who have years of real-world cloud experience across multiple industries such as finance, retail, security, and software infrastructure management. The expert instructor team includes Mr. Daniel Case from the USA, Sean Ismail from Canada, Bernd Bosch from Japan, Asif Ahmed from New Zealand, Mr. Krishna from Canada, Mr. Will from the Philippines, Mr. Ankur Gupta from India, and Mr. Anil from India. There are also other contributors for our projects and assessments. The teaching pedagogy involves video tutorials along with lab work and quizzes. You will also work on practical projects and graded assignments. These assignments will be graded by our team of instructors, on the basis of which you'll earn your e-degree. Our support team will answer your queries quickly and will ensure that you are always on top of all the modules covered in the program. We have worked really hard to create a state-of-the-art training program, which we truly believe will help our students be the cloud professionals of tomorrow. Join us to start your cloud journey today.
I can't think nothing better